Hi everybody, welcome back to Kitchen Science. So this is what we're making today. These are chicken wings that I buried in charcoal and then went ahead and made a fun little Asian inspired sauce to go with them. It's the kind of content you want to see. Please go ahead and stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Science. Today on the channel we're going to go ahead and switch it up just a little bit. We're going to do something a little bit different. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're going to go ahead and show you guys a new way to go ahead and prepare these wonderful looking chicken wings that I ended up getting from Wild Fork. Now the great thing about the chicken wings from Wild Fork is not only are they no antibiotics, no hormones, etc. They also go through a process called air chilling. And what air chilling does is it drastically reduces the amount of salmonella that could potentially be on the chicken, in the flesh and the skin and the feathers in the chicken, etc. So I'm really excited to go ahead and try these today. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to do a charcoal burying method. But before we go ahead and do any of that, we need to go ahead and get these guys ready. So we're going to give them a quick salt. We're going to let them sit in the fridge in a salt brine overnight. All right, everybody, so here's our chicken. So I put it in this bowl to make things a little bit easier. So we're going to go ahead and grab some kosher salt. So we're basically adding enough salt to these so that they can go ahead, they can penetrate deep into the muscle of the chicken so that they can add a bunch of flavor there and go ahead and pull some extra water out. What we're going to do is we're going to pop them on this tray. So as you guys can see, they're already starting to get a little bit liquidy and it's already been a few minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the fridge. We're gonna let them sit in open air. All right, everybody, so while our chicken is doing its thing in the fridge, we wanna go ahead and we wanna make a flavorful sauce to go with it. So I've got a couple things I'm gonna add today, but I'm gonna start with scallions. So in our house, we really enjoy the green end of the scallions. And the green end is usually the end that you can eat raw. But the white end doesn't taste very good when it's raw. It's kind of sour, it's really sulfury, it's really strong in its onion flavor, but what we love to do is we love to save them and cook them. So this is a piece that would be left over.
If you guys are liking this content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.
And there is our onion. So here is my saucepan. To that, I'm going to add in all of our onions. It's about a half a cup. A half a cup of Frank's Red Hot. We're going to add in a half a tablespoon of garlic. Going to add in half a tablespoon of ginger. We're going to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. To add in a tablespoon of seasoned rice wine vinegar. Then we're going to go ahead and add in 4 ounces of butter. So we want to bring our sauce up to a bubble. We want to let it go for at least a minute, minute and a half. That way we can pull all that sweet onion flavor out, cook out any of that raw onion flavor that we have. Toast the aromatics from the ginger and the garlic that are in there. And then as it finishes, then we're going to throw the butter in and we're going to whisk it all in. It's been a minute and a half, so let's go ahead and let's place our butter in there. And we want to whisk it around. All right, and there is our sauce, tasting awesome. And to that, we are going to add some toasted sesame seeds. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and light up the egg, but we're doing things a little bit differently today. So we're not going to be utilizing any grates. All right, now the goal of this is a little bit different. What we want to do is we want to get a good bed of heat going on. Now, I know that the second cooked charcoal doesn't burn as well as the first cooked charcoal. It really doesn't, because a ton of oxygen has been added into this, and that's why we get that white color from. It's part of that burning action that you get. So we are going to go ahead and light this. We're going to try to get it up to heat, and then we're going to add some more black charcoal on top. Hey guys, quick shameless plug. Fogo premium lump charcoal. This is their standard stuff. It's 17.6 pounds. You can buy this for $15.58 at your local Wild Fork. Other places like A sell it for almost $23 for the same size bag. Just wanted to put that quick tip out there. All right, everybody, this is what we want them to look like. It is time. So we didn't add any seasoning to the chicken. We're just going to go ahead and bury it in the coals like so. And you want to make sure that when you're doing this, that you have a pair of tongs and you're using some heat-resistant gloves. I'm going to take a piece, I'm going to drop it down in here, throw a couple of coals on it like so, and we're just going to go ahead and let it go. My hands are super on fire right now. They're all buried in. Now let's go ahead and let's let it cook. All right, we had one more trick we were going to do. We were going to pop one of these guys in here. And let's check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how hot our chunk of wood is in there. It's doing great. All right, let's pull one of these guys out. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, here they are, everybody. I just pulled them off. You'll notice we've even got a couple little stragglers on there. There's some charcoal right there. That's okay, we're gonna pull that off. So we're gonna let these cool off a little bit. We're then gonna put them into our sauce, but this is pretty normal. Nice and charred like this, they're gonna take on an amazing, amazing charcoal flavor. Let's go ahead and get them inside and see how they are. All right, everyone, here's our charcoal grilled chicken wings, and this is the sauce that went with them. So the smell coming off of this is amazing. I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and try them, at least for this visual right here. Let's go ahead and give them a taste. Oh, wow, that was amazing. That charcoal burn, along with that Frank's Red Hot and all those aromatics, tastes wonderful. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, put a comment down below, and as always, if you feel like subscribing, please do so, and have a great barbecue week.
Hey all, thanks for staying to the end. As a treat, I have a few videos right here you may enjoy even more than this one. Please give them a watch and tell me your honest opinion about them down in the comments below.